Imagine what would happen if an engine were to emerge that would shake up the entire automobile industry. This isn't a simple upgrade, but a direct warning to car companies around the world. Elon Musk has once again made a splash that has stunned everyone. People say the EV race has just begun, but Tesla has created a motor that could end it, a motor that roars quietly without any noise, yet with such tremendous power that rival companies will be unable to keep up. The question now is, how did all this happen? And what will happen next? Is Tesla really going to rule the world with this new motor, or will another company be able to strike back? This story isn't just about technology, it's about the future. And the name of this future is Tesla's game-changing motor. What makes it so special? Why is it so dangerous? And why is it being said that it's nearly impossible to compete with? You'll find out all this in this video. And the biggest secret that will keep you hooked until the end is that this motor isn't the end for Tesla, but the beginning of a new era. So stay tuned until the end of this video, because what you're about to hear will change your perspective. And yes, before you continue, subscribe to the channel to be the first to receive such amazing videos. Tesla's new leap. Tesla's story is no less than a science fiction film. For years, Elon Musk and his team have consistently come up with ideas that astonish the world. Previously, the concept of electric cars was considered a joke, but Tesla made it a reality for the common man. Then came autopilot, the self-driving system which gave cars a brain. And now Tesla has made another breakthrough that has car companies around the world worried. This is called Tesla's new leap, and its name is the carbon-wrapped rotor. This may sound quite technical, but the truth is simple and quite interesting. See, any electric motor can only spin up to a certain speed. Carbon-wrapped rotor, the real game changer. Whenever we talk about electric cars, the motor plays a crucial role. It's the motor that converts battery power into the vehicle's power and speed. But every motor has its limitations. Until now, all companies manufacturing electric cars face the same problems: overheating, breakdown at high speeds, and limited performance. When a traditional electric motor spins too fast, its metal parts expand. This heat and pressure cause the motor to wear out quickly and sometimes even break. This is why most motors cannot exceed 15,000 or 16,000 revolutions per minute. This means that the motor's power and pickup are determined by the speed at which it can spin. This limit has become the biggest challenge facing the entire industry. Now comes Tesla's new motor, the heart of which is the carbon-wrapped rotor. The name might sound technical, but it's easy to understand. Tesla wrapped its motor's rotor in carbon fiber instead of metal. Carbon fiber is a material that's extremely lightweight, yet stronger than steel. It withstands heat, doesn't warp under pressure, and resists cracking. This is why Tesla's new motor can easily spin up to 20,000 revolutions per minute without breaking or overheating. Imagine while other companies stall at 16,000 revolutions per minute, Tesla reached 20,000 inches one go. This is Tesla's true game changer. And this isn't just a game of numbers, it directly impacts the vehicle's performance. The faster the motor spins, the greater the vehicle's torque. This means the vehicle can accelerate in an instant. Tesla claims that its new cars can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds, and this is no small feat. Even supercars like Bugatti and Lamborghini, costing millions, can't accelerate that quickly. But the difference isn't just in speed. When conventional motors produce more power, the battery drains quickly, reducing the vehicle's range. Tesla's carbon-wrapped rotor solves this problem as well. Because it's lighter and more efficient, there's less energy wastage. This means the battery will last longer, the vehicle's range will be longer, and you won't have to stop at charging stations as often. You get speed on one hand and reliable range on the other. Additionally, durability makes a significant difference. Regular motors wear out after extended use and require repair. However, Tesla's new design is so robust that it will operate flawlessly for a long time. This means the vehicle will have a longer lifespan and lower maintenance costs. Furthermore, because it requires fewer rare metals, it will be cheaper to manufacture than other companies' motors. This means Tesla is not only technologically advanced, but also has an advantage in production costs. Now imagine when customers get speed, long range, and durability in a single vehicle. Why would they look to other companies? This is why it's being said that the carbon-wrapped rotor is a wake-up call for the entire industry. No more choosing between performance and practicality. Tesla is giving you both and delivering it at scale. And thanks to the new design, simplicity, lower material needs, and reduced complexity, Tesla's cost to build each unit has dropped significantly. Whether they pass those savings to customers or keep the margin, the edge is theirs. When you push this far ahead, the rest don't just fall behind, they fall apart. Let's see how the competition handled the hit. Knocking out the competition. Tesla's competition is falling behind and fast. Not long ago, it looked like the EV race would be tight. Big-name car makers like Ford, General Motors, Toyota, and Volkswagen were pouring in billions. Startups like Lucid and Rivian promised bold innovation. Chinese giant BYD was dominating global sales. For a minute, it really seemed like Tesla's lead might not last. Then came the carbon wrap motor, and everything changed. Most of these legacy automakers still build electric cars using platforms designed for gasoline engines. That means their EVs are heavier, less efficient, and more expensive to make. Their factories were built for gas-powered cars, not electric ones, and they rely heavily on suppliers for key parts, especially batteries. Tesla doesn't. Every Tesla is designed from scratch to be electric. Their factories are built for EVs from the ground up. They make their own batteries. They now even make motors that no one else in the industry can match. While other companies are just catching up to Tesla's last big breakthrough, Tesla has already moved on to what's next. Look at Ford. It has promised around $50 billion for EV development through 2026, but their Mach-E SUV still weighs over 300 pounds more than Tesla's Model Y, and Ford lost over $1.3 billion in its EV division just last quarter. General Motors is in a similar boat. They pledged $35 billion to EVs by 2025. But their rollout of Ultium battery tech has been slow, plagued by software and robotic assembly problems. They've had to do a lot of the work, manually, costly, and inefficient. Toyota committed over $38 billion for electric vehicles, but now they're shifting back toward hybrids after seeing slower than expected demand for EVs. Their first serious EV, the bZ4X, has struggled to gain traction. Volkswagen hasn't fared much better. Its software division, CARIAD, has lost over $7.5 billion since 2022. That's led to major layoffs and delays, including the electric Porsche Macan being pushed back. Startups are facing even tougher challenges. Lucid's Air is one of the fastest electric sedans out there, but it's priced around $150,000, and the company only built about 9,000 cars in all of 2024. Even with a 70% jump in deliveries to a little over 10,000 units, Lucid lost around $3 billion last year. They're now heavily funded by Saudi Arabia, which owns over 60% of the company. Rivian, known for its electric trucks and adventure vehicles, has built a solid fan base. But scaling up has been brutal. They made close to 50,000 vehicles in 2024, well short of their goal.